YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? Today we are doing an unboxing video, all right? And what we are going to be unboxing is this right here. But before we get into the unboxing, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I will place the link to this specific product in my description in case you guys are interested in purchasing this. I got this on Amazon. It was reasonably priced, and it's very good for when you're going through those hot days and you just need to cool off. All right. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right. So what we have right here is a portable air conditioned fan. All right. And the image you guys see right here on the front of the box, right? This little part right here, this gets cold to the touch, right? And the fan goes all the way up to 199, right? So let me show y'all what it looks like. Let me see if I can get that to focus. There we go. All right. Look at the box. Check that out right there. All right. This is the back of the box. That's the back. It comes in 4 different colors. Yeah, it comes in 4 different colors. Get that to focus there. All right, now, so what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and see what comes in the box. Okay, so looks like we have a neck strap. Okay. All right. We have a Type-C cord, USB Type-C cord. This right here is a tool to get the neck strap into the device. Right. And then right here, we have the main device. We got some instructions. Got the instructions. All right, so we put that right there. All right, so let me show y'all what the device looks like outside of the box. All right. So this is what the device looks like outside of the box. Okay. This is side of it. This is where the neck strap piece go. There's one on each side. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on. Okay. Sounds pretty quiet. If you press the left button, it's going to cause this part right here to get cold, and the fan will blow cold air. Okay. So now we're going to turn it up. You can see it gets pretty loud, but it feels good. And now we're going to turn it down. Okay. Press it one time to turn it off, one time to turn it on. When you see the green light, that means that it's in cool mode. Okay. Turn it off. You could also put this in tabletop mode, like this. See, put it like that. Right? Put it like that. And also, when you put it on your neck, it's going to be just like this, and it'll blow towards your face, and you can feel the cool air. Right? And you could take this to the beach, you could take this to the gym. And it's very portable, you know what I'm saying? So it's good for them hot days when you're traveling and you just need some cool air, you know. So that's pretty much the device. Like I said, if you guys are interested in this specific device, I'll place the link in the description so you guys could go on and take a look at it. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is the handheld mini fan from Kimguard. You could get it on Amazon. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You guys have a great day. Peace out.